Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix guided access not working on your iPhone in iOS 16 and 17. Guided access limits the content a user can access on your device. It's a handy iOS feature that helps you to protect your privacy when, for example, you let your friend borrow your iPhone. So let's get started the video. Let me show you how you can fix it. So the first step is enable guided access from the setting. Before assuming that guided access is not working because it's faulty, it's best to check setting you have in place first. Go to settings, simply scroll down, click on accessibility, scroll down all the way, and you will see this guided access and make sure that it's enabled. So if it's disabled, you can enable it. So once you have done this, then the next step is turn off guided access and turn it on again. For that, go to setting, go to accessibility, go to your guided access, turn it off, then you can turn it on back again, and you can set the passcode setting or your face ID. You can also set the accessibility shortcut. So once you have done this, then the next step is restart your iPhone. The next solution is to soft reset your iPhone. This procedure is also known as a forced restart. There are a couple of reasons why restarting your smartphone fixes the most problem, making it a go-to solution for technical issue like this. After this, then the next step is update your iPhone. iOS update often come with the bug fixes and performance improvements. Therefore, you can resolve your iPhone guided access problem by ensuring that you have updated version on your iPhone. For that, you can go to settings, click on general, and then click on software update. And if you see any update available here, make sure that you download that update and install it on your iPhone. So I've already updated my iPhone to the latest iOS 17 beta. So once you have done this, then the next step is reset all setting on your iPhone. If your guided access is still not working, the last solution you can try is to reset all setting on your iPhone. For that, you can go to settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset, click on reset all setting. Don't worry, you won't lose any of your data, but it can fix your problem. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.